This is the robot vacuum cleaner. You have spot, auto, wall, and clean mode. Unboxing. So in the package is a user manual, power adapter, corner brush, and vacuum cleaner robot. First we have the start pause, so press to stop pause. The device LED indicator indicates the status. Handle lives for carrying or moving. Next we have is the wheels, so just make sure to keep it clean. Brush wheel, press release, catch to exchange, and battery, move screws to change battery. Here we have the 3 obstacle sensors, so make sure to clean with soft cloth or tissue. Next we have the on-off switch, so just press the turn on-off charging port. So charge for 3 to 4 hours, lasts 90 minutes. And then we have the tray, so you just remove the tray to clean it. So here I'm going to show how to open the tray and clean the device. So you just go and press in and lift. Here I'm showing the handle, so you just lift it and you carry the vacuum. Here I'm doing a vacuum test, so I put chips on the floor. The vacuum senses the chips and it'll just keep on going back to it and vacuuming the spots where the chips are. Here's a big dust ball that the vacuum picks up easily. Here I'm just cleaning all the items that were picked up by the vacuum. And so the chips, the dust and everything, you can tell it picked up a lot. So you just dump it. You could use a tissue or a napkin to wipe around the inside of the tray. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.